This is the YOLEO heavy duty adjustable weight bench, and I'm going to go ahead and give you the dimensions here with my tape measure. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to measure the seat all the way to the upper portion here, and it looks like that's about 47 inches there. Then we're going to measure this upper portion. The top of it is 9 inches, but it actually widens out to about 11 inches lower on here. And then the seated position is about 11 inches wide at the widest position, and then 9 inches at its narrowest. And then the seated position length is about 13 inches, and the upper portion is about 32 inches. Now, both the seated position and the upper bench is about 18 inches off the ground. That matters if you're going to do like leg lowering exercises off of this guy. And then the front legs right here. So there's only 2 up here. There's 1 back there. So the 2 up here, if I can get this underneath the wheels real quick, I'm going to show you that this guy is about 25 inches wide, and that's to the edge of the kind of rubber coating that's around these feet here. And then the length of this guy, so I need to set this up a little bit, get the tape measure under the wheel. Okay, there we go. So the length of this guy is about, let's see here, so to the foot, it's about 52 inches, but to the edge of this handle here is about 54 inches. So if you are looking for a fantastic adjustable heavy-duty weight bench, this thing is fantastic. I mean, I can get up on it, stand on it, no problem. Doesn't budge. So if you're in the market for a fantastic weight bench, I think this thing is amazing. This is what I'm going to be using, and I highly recommend it.